Okay, babe, what are you making today?
We are gonna make another roasted corn on the cob. I have 2 other ones out there, really yummy. But this one's gonna be with some soy sauce and garlic and all that kind of goodies.
The last one was delicious.
So I got 8, like I guess they call them minis right here. And we're gonna make the marinade. I have marinade. I don't like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. We're gonna mount it up. We're in a temperature switch relay.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Okay, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
Okay, so now we're gonna make the marinade. We're gonna use olive oil. I'm gonna put in 5 tablespoons because I'm gonna be dealing with some seasonings and I don't want it to be over dry. 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna drip it. Oh, screw it. I can't do that. Garlic. Usually I do the garlic before the oil, but it's alright. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons, which is about 2 cloves. Soy sauce. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We don't want to overdo it, but we definitely want the flavor. And now we're going to go into seasonings. Ginger.
Yeah.
If you guys have never put soy sauce and ginger together, it's really good. So we're just going to do a teaspoon because we don't want to overpower it. Ginger can be slightly overpowering. A little bit of heat, just a little bit. If you don't like heat, just omit this, but we're going to put in heat because it just makes it a little bit more extra special for my hubby.
Tablespoon of heat.
1/4 teaspoon. That is it. That's all you get, babe. All you get.
Oh.
I know. It's gonna be spicy though. For me, it will be spicy because I'm also putting in black pepper.
Yeah.
Looks like about 1/2 teaspoon. Everything's clean. Magic. And now I'm going to mix this up with my brush.
You look at the garlic in that.
Garlic, and you can smell the ginger and soy sauce too. Okay, and now I'm going to start just brushing this on. I just kind of go like that, like this, to where it just kind of falls down. Because we're also going to flip them over. Get some of that on there. I want to make sure these are good and marinated.
Oh yeah.
To me, when you marinate your corn, I never used to do that. I started doing it because I really didn't like, plain corn, you gotta put butter on it and whatever. I started doing it because I like street corn. If you have never had street corn, it's a lot of this kind of stuff. You know, marinating, all kinds of seasonings, stuff like that.
A little roasting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's actually roasted too, street corn.
Oh yeah, them look good, guys.
And then I have to turn them over because we got to get that other side too. Because it's not yet marinated on this side yet.
Not at all.
It would still be good, but I like marinating on both sides. Okay. And this is going to have a little bit more garlic side over here. Like that.
Oh yeah, look at that garlic, guys.
I like to put when I turn them over, I like to put a lot of the garlic on top. Just kind of gives it that extra special. I'm going to go back through here in a minute. Make sure everything is got their garlic on it. Let's see. Everything all garliced up? I think so. Mm-hmm. And now we're going to marinate that for 20 minutes. Got to get these seasonings going on in there. But meanwhile, while it's marinating, I'm going to get my stove started. So I'm going to put it at bake 350. That way it's all nice and hot for it. Be back. 20 minutes, and now it's going in there to start roasting. Oh, I can smell it. Okay, so 350, and we do it for 20 minutes to start. And then we have to flip them, and then we do it for some more minutes. We'll be back. They're almost going off. You gotta turn them over.
There they are.
I haven't done that in a while because I promised I wouldn't.
No, you didn't. You said you would.
Anyways, we're gonna get some of our, trusty little thingies over here so I don't burn my hands.
Not that trusty.
Gotta double up on those. Hey, they still are. They're still trusty. Look, you don't throw old things away. I'm old.
I'm not throwing you away.
We're turning these around, y'all. So, we want to make sure that this is... So now we're going to flip these over. No, it doesn't look roasty yet, but it will.
The oven's ready.
It is ready. Makes a lot of noise when it's ready, doesn't it? And now we're going to put these back in for About 15 minutes. $350 for 15 minutes. We'll be back. I'm bored. Oh, there we go. Action time. These are ready. It's coming out. It's coming out. Ew, that sounds gross. So these are the soy sauce ginger roasted corn on the cob. I have a Tex-Mex one and a balsamic one, and they're roasted and they're all yummy. So if you like what I'm doing, yeah, like, subscribe, comment, give feedback, ask me a question, and because I like to make budget-friendly meals. So we're gonna dig in now.
Y'all stay tuned.
Okay, soy sauce. I probably should have did the garlic. That I always do that first. Wait, I messed up. I'm gonna do something. Okay, now I'm gonna do the garlic. Okay, garlic. Let me think. What's the rest of it, babe?
We're gonna eat.
Oh, yeah. So we're gonna dig in now.